Hi, how are y'all doing today? I am doing well. I'm really excited about today's video because we are going to be coloring my hair for Valentine's Day, and I've got these colors right here. It's Arctic Fox Sterling and Frose. I'm going to be doing this side Sterling and this side with the Frose. Just wanted a cute little Valentine's moment. I haven't used this brand for a long time because of some controversy with it, but I looked into it recently and it seems like it's owned by someone different, so I was like, I'm gonna give it a try. Still can't find any bowls at my house, so I have like my Framar bowl. Do the silver side first so that none of the pink gets on it. So here's what the Sterling looks like. I always remember liking, I haven't used this for several years, but I remember liking it because I do believe it's like a more violet based silver, which is what I personally like. I was looking through my stuff and I remembered I bought some Olaplex number 3 to use, so I'm going to dilute it with this. The Frose, I'm probably not going to dilute that. I'm probably just going to put some Olaplex number 1 in it because I'm pretty sure it's like already really pastel, so I don't want to dilute it even more. Alright, so we've got that there. So I've had split color before, but like with my hair being parted on the side, I would always like do this side one color and this side one color. But I'm gonna wear my bangs down with this, so I'm gonna do like a proper actual split. I look really stupid with the middle part. And then I don't know about my undercut because it like, here's how long that is. I almost want to do it all pink because I don't think I can get it separated. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that because it's going to be too much of a pain to try to do the undercut split because it's so short. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it pink. That sounds like a plan. So I actually ended up diluting it just a little bit more because I don't want it to be like too silver. I'm looking for more of like a white silvery color. I do the silver color first so that way if any pink gets on it that there's already kind of like a barrier there. I haven't had my hair split in literally since cosmetology school and that was 2015, so it's been a minute. Alright guys, I wanted to do a voiceover for this little bit because I wasn't talking in the video because I was focusing on doing my hair. And I wanted to talk about the price and the product size. So I actually ordered this directly from Amazon, from Arctic Fox's Amazon account. I was going to do it from Sally's, but I wanted the shipping to be a little faster. So I had ordered it, right? And it was meant to be delivered like the first week, the first or second week of January. Well, they lost my package, so I had to put in a replacement order and cancel the first order, and it came January 17th, so I was like, what the heck, because I've never had that happen. I've never had to like put in a claim and like have a package replaced, and of course it's on this hair color that I wanted to do for Valentine's Day. And I almost didn't do it because I was like, what if it doesn't get here? And I just like do this hair for like 3 days. Like that's such a waste of product. So I ordered it and it came and it is, I believe, hold on, I've got it pulled up right here in front of me. It is 8 ounces of product, which is not bad because a lot of color you buy is normally about 4 ounces, but a lot of brands do have an 8, which I like. And on Amazon it is $18.49. So that is a pretty steep price point, I feel, because that would make it like $9 for 4 ounces. And well, I don't know, when you think about it like that, it's not too bad. It just really depends on how much hair you have. And back when I used to use this product before, it was like 2016-17 when I had pink hair, I would use the tiniest drop and it would be, I'd dilute it with conditioner and it would still go so far. And it's great. It's just crazy to see how this brand's changed through the years. I'll give my final thoughts at the end of the video. I just kind of wanted to tell you guys about the price and the product size. This much left in the bowl. And I guess this is going to get diluted just a little bit because of the leftover color that's in here, but we're going to go ahead and put when I took the blue out, I had one of my coworkers at work do it because I had a very slow day, so she took it out for me, and we used a Malibu DDL and mixed it with water instead of developer since we were removing blue, and it had faded to like a really like pastel blue kind of shade, and it removed so easily. Like, it was gone in like 45 minutes. But before we removed it, I had been washing my hair with hot water and clarifying shampoo, the Malibu clarifier. But it removed so easily. I know I actually had a comment. Someone had wanted me to record removing the blue, and I was like, I'm so sorry. It's already removed because my daughter just had her first birthday party. Here's the pink. And I didn't want the blue in my hair for the party, so I wanted to remove it before we did that. I hope that this isn't too pastel and that it shows up. I think it will, right? But anyway, how have you guys been doing? I took a little bit of an accidental break for the month of January because my computer needed an upgrade. It needed some new parts in it. So that has been nice. It's just I couldn't like do any editing or anything while that was going down, so I've had a lot of stuff that I've been wanting to do and didn't have time for. I think I'm gonna record a makeup look tomorrow for Valentine's Day. Probably not this one, but something different. This one was, it came out like, I actually did two hearts. I did a white one and then a pink one, but the pink one I feel like it didn't really like show up that well. But anyway, how have you guys been doing? Another thing that we did lately is we watched the new season of Alice in Borderland, and I've been thinking about it like nonstop since we watched it. It was so good. That's one of the few shows that I like a lot, and I think it actually ended so well that they don't need to do another season of it. Like, I think the latest season that they did ended perfectly. Like, I have no complaints about it at all. It was so good. This is like the perfect bubblegum pink shade. I'm really obsessed with it right now. I hope it comes out pretty. I haven't had my hair pink in a really long time. Pink used to be kind of like my thing. And for a good 3 years I had my hair pink all over. And that's how a lot of people to this day still like remember me, as like the girl with the pink hair. And then I kind of grew out of that phase. And I wanted to do something different. I'm actually in the mood to do my hair purple at this moment, but since I already got these colors to do this for Valentine's Day, I figured I'd go ahead and do this real quick. And then I'll probably do maybe like a lavender shade. I'd like to do galaxy hair. I don't know what I'm going to do after this, but I've got a couple, and I'm probably also going to like give my hair a break because it's really dry. So that's kind of what I did last year. I colored it purple, and then I just let the roots grow out because my hair is naturally extremely dark. And I think I'd like to do that again this year. Just give it a break and let it do its thing, heal. It cracks me up when I color my hair pink. It always used to back in the day because this is like the shade of Pepto-Bismol. Oh my god, I don't have a TikTok, but there's that pink sauce controversy thing going on, and that's like also what this makes me think of, that pink sauce. Listen, I don't keep up with anyone on TikTok because I don't have one, but I do follow a lot of drama channels on YouTube, so a lot of them have been keeping up with that TikTok girl. All of that's irrelevant. I don't keep up with that. I can't wait for this undercut to grow out because it's literally just this. I'm like, what can I do with that? Like, nothing. Absolutely nothing. I don't know if this is actually covering or not. I feel like it looks like it's not, but it's hard to tell. Yeah, I did not feel like wearing gloves. These colors are so pastel, they're not gonna stain my hands. I think we got her. For the first time in my life, I think I actually mixed like way too much color. It's fine. It's okay. Alright, so here's the colors. This is the Frose, and then this is the Sterling diluted. Oh my god, I'm literally so excited about this. I'm not sure what it's gonna look like. I hope it looks cute. I'll probably leave this on for at least about an hour, maybe even more, since it's got that Olaplex in it, so my hair can have a treatment. And I will rinse it out, and then tomorrow I'll film a look, and I'll like curl my hair and like actually fix it. I might have to trim my bangs because my bangs are getting pretty long. So I will fix my hair, and I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the results. Yeah, here's my hair. I am gonna be so extremely transparent with you guys. I hate it. Like, I hate it so much. I've only, you know, it looks like I just did it like, I don't know, 3 months ago. Let it fade out. No, it's only been a few days, and I've only washed it once. I wish I would have taken a video directly after I did it, but I just didn't have the time. And yeah, so the side that I used the Sterling on, it faded. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but it's got like a hardcore green after washing it once. It didn't look like that at first. It was like a beautiful like purple undertoned silver. It was gorgeous. And then I washed it, and I'm not even kidding, in the shower. I washed it with Olaplex shampoo, and in the shower I like was just looking at my hands. I was just like looking at them, and I was like, why is my hair green? It was like solid green. Yeah, not a big fan. And then the Frose side, it was really cute at first. Sorry, my hair is actually due for a washing. So but anyway, it was really cute at first, but the ends are like, just from one wash, they're like almost blonde. I'm big sad about it. I guess I'll show you guys the back real quick. Oh, before I do that, look at my shirt. I got it for Valentine's Day. I don't know how the back of it looks today because I literally just curled it. I can safely say I will not be repurchasing Arctic Fox unless something comes up. I remember I used it a couple years ago. I'll put a picture right here. It was like, I used their Virgin Pink and Aquamarine, and I really liked it, you know? Well, all that stuff happened with the CEO and everything, and everybody quit using it, and then I saw a couple people using it again, and I was like, did I miss something? And then I was like, I'm gonna give it another shot, because it's been like since 2016 or 17 since I've used it, so it's been a while. So I was like, I'm gonna give it another shot just to see, and I can safely say I'm not impressed at all. Like, a lot of it's just underwhelming. A lot of the other colors I've used, like Eero, Strawberry Leopard, my hair is left not only colored but shiny, healthy. The price point is so much more reasonable, and I'm just not here for this at all. So I was hoping to have pink and silver hair up through Valentine's Day, but I don't see that happening. And I completely get that it was a pastel shade, but I don't wash my hair a whole lot, and I wash it in cool water with Olaplex. So I feel that it should have lasted a lot longer than it did. Not a big fan. You guys might even get another hair coloring video this month, because I was gonna do it like lavender next, but I might end up just going ahead and doing that because of how much I hate this. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing. I've got the next 2 colors that I want to do planned out, and then, but yeah. Anyway, let me know your opinions on Arctic Fox down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!